To your pre-market summary for Thursday, September 15th. Bit of a choppy start for futures here in the pre-market. We are looking at a mixed session at this point. 0.2 for the S&P to the downside. The Dow holding on to positive territory. It was the NASDAQ that led all day yesterday. Back and forth we went after what happened the prior session. 0.35 right now for the NASDAQ in negative territory. Fair warning, we are going to get another batch of economic data coming up here at 8:30 this morning. We'll get initial jobless claims. We'll get Philly Fed Business Index. We'll get a look at some industrial production output as well for August. And the big one's going to be retail sales. August retail sales coming up at 8:30 this morning. So stay tuned for that. We're watching a number of individual moves this morning. That's a look at the market right now. Big down day prior session. We did get back higher a little bit yesterday. It held the lows and then some for the S&P 500, but only just. What is to come? We'll find out here. Tesla on watch this morning. Nice upgrade for them this morning and a move back to the upside on this note. A little bit of a reset as far as their retail plan for China and that market. Needham with a upgrade this morning on Tesla as well as AMD and NVIDIA to the downside, both getting fresh price target cuts from Needham, and it was a couple of analysts out with cautionary notes anyways for some of the chip makers. We'll talk about that coming up. There it is, Wed Bush for AMD. Starbucks, big mover over the past couple of days, back on watch this morning. Another round of price target increases for Starbucks. Pretty good look for that stock yesterday. Held the highs and then some. Adobe, yeah, deal is done apparently now. Just seeing that coming across. $15 billion in a deal possibly for Figma, according to Bloomberg News. Looks like that is done for Adobe. We'll talk about these two as well. ADTX, huge move to the downside yesterday. NRBO back on watch as well. More fresh news for that one. A big move earlier in the week. Grab the watch list, guys. Use the QR code on screen right now. We send it right to your inbox, absolutely free every single morning. Again, more economic data to come at 8:30. Should be a market moving event. Make sure you're with us. We're live in a few minutes on TraderTV.Live.